next step of the CURE methodology is for each individual to reveal each of their ideas. In this step, each member of the group will place their ideas in front of everyone and share what they feel prompted to. Remember that some people may be visual while others might need to listen to an explanation. In addition to this, many people are extroverted while others are more introverted. With that in mind, in the reveal phase of the CURE methodology, everyone should be sensitive to each other's ability to communicate their ideas. Because we have different learning styles, we must do the best that we can to ensure that everyone's needs are met to the best of their ability. With that being said, one participant is selected at a time. They can take their idea and place them in an area that is visible to everyone. Once the ideas are visible, each participant should get a set amount of time to explain their stickies. Please note that if all the stickies are not explained, that is okay. Once the participant's time to explain each of the stickies is up, some time should be given to the group for clarification questions. This is important in any type of brainstorming so that everyone can understand the idea that is being presented and can later, in the evaluation step, group each of the ideas appropriately. Two important questions that should be answered for the group in this step are, what is the idea and why did I share this idea? Once everyone has shared their ideas, you will then be ready to move on to the final stage of the process. But before we do, let's look at our example again for a deeper understanding. When we last left off, everyone was writing down their ideas in the understand phase. In our example, we will reveal with one person. When you conduct your CURE methodology project, be sure that you give everyone an opportunity to reveal. Katie gets called on to reveal her ideas. She has 10 minutes to share what the idea is, why she shared it with the group. As she explains each of her ideas, she places them in an area where they are visible to everyone. In keeping with a one-piece flow function, Katie shares one idea, then asks if anyone has any questions. If they do, the questions are answered and she moves on to the next idea. You can follow Katie's example of one-piece flow, or you can present all of your ideas and then answer the questions in a batch format. Katie's ideas are shown here, mixed in with her other team members' ideas too. As you can see, by this example, everyone's ideas are revealed and questions are answered so that people can understand the ideas. The next step in the process is to begin grouping and labeling each of these ideas in the evaluation phase. We'll see you in the next lecture.